Okay, here's what you will be doing in each of the 4 seasons. In autumn, you'll be harvesting fruits, nuts, seeds, herbs, etc. You will be chopping and dropping weeds or spent plants with a weed whacker. You'll be pruning as needed. And in our climate here in Southern California, that is our time to plant new trees and bushes because we have no freezing temperatures, and that is the time when we can expect to get the most rain. But in your climate, you may be planting in spring. So in winter, we prune deciduous trees after the limbs are bare of leaves. We plant garlic, onion, lettuce, and other winter seed crops. And again, that's climate permitting. In spring, we replace weeds with seeds of our preference. We broadcast seeds onto the forest floor or start seeds in small pots to get them established before planting them out. We plant new trees and bushes during early spring. If you are in a climate with non-freezing winter temperatures, harvest your ripe produce. And in summer, water plants as needed, harvest, chop and drop, and maintain mulch at 1 inch thick. And then prune again and return those prunings to the forest floor for fertilizer.